vlog. Her name is Gracia. And this is our morning routine. Happy. Avery, what do you want to say? I wanna go home. Hello guys, ngayon, lazy tong mga dalawang to. Yung tita ko at ate ko, nakaupo lang sila.
Tapos ako dyan.
Yaan naman, nagsa-cellphone lang. Si ate,
Hindi ko to cellphone. Ay, dito
ito Gracia. Tingnan natin kung nasan si mama. Naman si mama. Yan naman si mama. Ganun kayo. We're going to San Jose. San? Oh, I like your hair. It's super shiny. Man, hindi to forest, guys. Wild to, guys. Huwag niyo ako pagalitan. Napapasok ako dyan mamaya. Bye. Nagsa-cellphone.
Maglakad kami Saan? Papasay.
Saan? Tapos, hanapin ko kayo?
Hi today, guys. Vlog kami today. At saka, yung aso ko naman, nag-e-exercise. Exercise kami. Yung aso ko. Yung ate ko, takbo ko nga! Nanay ko ay nagdidilig ng dragon fruit. Ano kayang ginagawa niya, guys? Okay, guys. Nagdidilig pala ako, pati yung nanay ko. Kasama ko siya. Mama, say hi. Mahiyain lang siya. Ang halaman na to. Ayan si mama nagdidilig. Ang cute ng poset niya, guys. So, what are you doing, Avery? I can't outside. That is my dog. That one. And that is my mommy.
Where's your mommy?
This is Lisa.
What's that?
And that's my little pet, Buchi. Buchi! Come back! Come on, we're gonna go home. Let's go. Okay, it's time to go home.